If you're looking for a newer set of earbuds from Edifier under $100, the W240TN are the way to go. You're getting dual dynamic drivers, a game mode, IPX55 dust and waterproof resistance, AI voice call noise cancellation, hybrid active noise cancellation, and an ambient sound mode. Now I want to take this time to stop for a minute and not talk about the review, but talk to y'all. So now most of y'all know who I am, but if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Septian. I'm the audiophile on a budget, bringing you reviews of audio products at an affordable price. And business is very, very good. Business is real good. Very, 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 very good. Very, very, very good. Moondrop Truth, very good. Now, I just want to thank everybody all over the world who watch my videos, wherever you're watching my videos from. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you've been here for more than 2 years, that's when I started 2 years ago, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Gracias, grazie, salamat, mahalo, merci, tuk, obrigado, doku I, no, how the hell you say that? Spasiba, and oh, this is a hard one. I cannot speak Korean. Kamsamida. Thank you. Really. Now, if I butchered your native language, I'm sorry. I'm an American. I don't speak these languages. So, with that out of the way, let's move on to the 5 reasons you should buy the Edifier W240TN. And the first is the active noise cancellation. Now, the W240TN uses ANC to block out background noise so you can focus on your music or YouTube videos like the one right now. And the ANC is really good. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. Another reason is the battery life. Now, the W240TN offers 7 hours on a single charge, plus the case offers you 14, which equals 21 hours total with ANC on. Now, with ANC off, the W240TN offers 8 hours on a single charge, plus the case offers you 17 hours, which equals 25 total. Also, a 10-minute quick charge in the case gives you 2 hours of playtime. I'm going to give the battery life on these a 4 out of 5. The next reason would be the comfortable fit. Now, the W240TN comes with a variety of ear tips, and I'm just going to go ahead and give you a quick unboxing. I'm going to take this sleeve off, lift up this flap, and all your little accessories are in this little cardboard box. It says right there on the front, you got the cable, silicone tips, and you got your papers and stuff. So pull that out, and here are the silicone tips. Now, this is pretty dope. Now, the one company that I can think that comes to mind that does this is Jabra. So you're getting 4 silicone tips. You're getting extra small, medium is already on the earbuds, and you're getting large. And these are, let me just peel these back and take a look at these. They're very oval, which is the natural shape of your ear canal. I will say this about Edifier, they do take the time and the consideration to actually include extra tips in the box. And if you watch my Edifier Neobuds Pro review, they included a bunch of silicone tips with those earbuds. Good gracious alive. So they're comfortable in my ears. Like I'm one of the lucky few people that when I get earbuds, the medium silicone tips fit me well out of the box. They give me a good seal. And I cannot stress enough how important it is to get the right silicone tip on the earbuds. Because not only does this help with keeping the earbuds in your ears, it also helps with the bass response. And since these have active noise cancellation, it also helps with that as well. So don't be leaving no 1-star review on Amazon talking about that didn't fit my ears, man. It ain't got no bass. Did you try all the silicone tips? Ah, yeah, you're right, man. Yeah, try all the tips. You come inside, If they don't work for you, then you can always spend a little extra and get some spin fits. And trust me, I'm team spin fit all day, every day. Now the next reason is the water resistance. The W240TN are rated IP55. That's dust and water resistance. You can get these a little wet. I'm not going to give a water demonstration on this one. I'm just going to keep this video short. But trust me, if you sweat bacon bits like me and it's starting to get hot and you want to work out in the earbuds, you'll be fine with these. IP55, that's the same rating as the OnePlus Buds Pro that I reviewed last year. I sweated the nose. I actually took them everywhere I went, and I didn't have any problems or any issues with liquid getting inside of them. Now the next reason would be the affordable price. So the W240TN are priced very competitively at $69.99, and you can apply 20% towards the price. So let me see, you may add that. That's $14 because I round up, and the grand total would be $55.99. So these are an easy recommendation, especially if you have earbuds that are over a year old. That's why I review in-ear monitors, because you don't have to charge these. These don't have a battery, and these don't last forever. Once the battery goes bad, that's all she wrote. Now I saved the best for last, and that is the sound quality. Now the Edifier W240TN, it has a V-shaped sound with an emphasis on the bass and treble. This makes them sound very exciting and engaging. Now, however, some people may find that the bass is a little too much and the treble may be too bright. So if you're a treble sensitive person, the V-shaped sound signature may not be the right sound signature for you. Now the mid-range is slightly recessed, which gives the bass and treble more prominence. So if you look at a frequency response graph, you'll see that it's kind of like, it's got that dip right there. It's got this little line. It goes like this, and there's a dip. That dip, that's towards the mid-range, and then it goes up, and then you got a little EKG squiggly lines, and that would be the treble. The vocals, they sound distant, but that helps create a spacious sound stage. The treble is a bit bright, but it's not fatiguing. I don't have an issue with the V-shaped sound signature. As a matter of fact, it works with several music genres like rock music, rap, pop, EDM, and I've been on a chill hop, jazz hop fix for the last couple of months. And since that music is kind of an instrumental, it'll work well with that. Now, when it comes to jazz, you'll probably need to look somewhere else. But overall, you got good punchy bass, you got some pretty good mids, and some good treble. I give the sound quality a 4 out of 5. So overall, if you're looking for a pair of affordable wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation, the Edifier W240TN is a good option. They offer a comfortable fit, long battery life, and water resistance, all at a very reasonable price. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, subscribe, click the bell icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos. And don't go nowhere, because I'm about to do the mic test at the end. Enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next one. This is a mic test of the Edifier W240TN in a quiet environment with no background noise playing. WT40TN with background noise playing. As always, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of the phone. Microphones on the earbuds. I'll see you in the next video.